Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping photos from saving to iCloud storage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your iCloud is full or you want to save space on it, saving your photos to your phone's storage is a good option. Open up the Settings app and tap on your name at the top of Settings. Then tap iCloud. Choose Photos from the options. Then tap the toggle to the right of Sync this iPhone to disable the setting. You want the toggle to be grey, not green. Tap Stop Updating and turn off if iCloud is in the process of updating. Your photos will now be saved to your phone's storage and not to iCloud storage. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.